So in automobile industry, there will be a lot of application for 3D printing. So as everybody knows, in 3D printing area, so that's mainly divided into metal 3D printing and also polymer 3D printing. So they have a different application, especially in automobile industry. For example, our customer, they do prototyping of the automobile part or even the whole car. So they use 3D printing technology to produce the prototype. So this is one major application. And the second one is in mold making and automation. So especially in metal 3D printing, there's a lot of application to do very complex mold and die. And also for polymers, and there's a lot of applications such like our SpaceA technology. They can produce a lot of jack and fixture, gripper, things like that in automation and also the production of auto parts. Thirdly, I think is the most interesting for us is when customer want to do a small batch size production. For whatever reason, they can now try to use our technology to produce this kind of parts without die and mold, but in small quantity and in an economical way. So I think in the future, there's more and more application for 3D technology in car industry. So after 5 years of development, so I think our product now become more and more mature. It's the time to verify the reliability, productivity, and also whether this application is economical. So as you know, there's a 3 key elements of our SpaceA technology: fast, simple to use, and competitive. Fast, I think we are one of the fastest system in the 3D printing area. So we can, with our standard system, we can produce up to 6 kilograms of polymer. So in 1 hour. So in addition, it's a very user-friendly, simple to use system. So in many cases, especially in Europe, we ship the system to customer. Customer open the box and plug in the electricity and air, and they can start the machine. So even through distant communication with our engineer, so customer can download the software. We can do some training with the customer, so the system can produce parts within 1 or 2 days. It's a very user-friendly and simple to use solution. Thirdly, is the most important. It's a very competitive. As I mentioned, it's a reliable and economical solution. The major point is that customer can use normal plastic pellet, that's injection grade plastic pellet, and then they can use this general material to produce the part. And also it's a very energy saving system. So the total power consumption of the standard system is only 1.2 kilowatt. So it's a very efficient system. And so to produce 1 kilogram of the plastic part, and the power consumption is only 0.8 kilowatt hour. So in this way, that means normally the whole production cost is only 2 times of the material cost. Let's say in Europe, the polymer is roughly 5 to 6 euro per kilogram, and the total production cost of the final part is only 9 euro per kilogram. So you can consider how efficient and economical our system is performing. So this I think is the now we have a more and more project with customer to verify all the benefit of the system. So we already sold 10 plus system to our customer, mainly in Germany, in Europe. So, but because this is a very innovative and new technology, normally we have to sign the NDA, non-disclosure agreement with customer. So sorry that I cannot release a lot of information concerning the details of this kind of projects. But I can say there is more and more application in automobile, construction, and as I mentioned, a lot of jack and fixture in automation process. So in the future, we will work together with more and more customers. We don't only provide machine for them. So we provide solutions, including the use of material, so product design, and also the economic calculation, the payback calculation. So with all these kind of measures, we expect in the future there will be more and more customers who are willing to work together with us. In fact, now every week, especially in Germany, there's a request from customers, they want to try our system. So we expect a good future for SpaceA.